Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. On this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing update method and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bells so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new one. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how you can flash USDT on Trust Wallet, how USDT flashing method works on Trust Wallet. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you head over to your Trust Wallet. Stand. This is my wallet. So this is my wallet here. Stand. This Ethereum you are seeing here is a flash Ethereum also. So if you want to learn how to generate your token address, we also teach that also if you want to learn that. So this place now, this is where we generate our token address. And if you want to learn how to generate token address that you can use to flash, you can DM me. And if you want token address maybe for USDT, for BTC, we also deals with that. So I'll copy my contract address. There's how we generate contract address for all this flash. So it's not that you just do it anyhow. So there's how we do it. So once you're on this Trust Wallet now, if you want to do the flash, if you want to generate your flash, you click on this swap. Stand. Once you click on swap, grab. So in this place now, you change the up one to BNB. Stand. I already put BNB already. So in this second part, you click on that second part here. Let me show you what I'm saying. So this second part here, so this place now, you click it. So I'll click it. Once I click it, I'll paste the contract address I copied, which I already generated from where I generated it. So you paste it. Start. This coin is active. This coin is active. So but if you want to know how it's active, that one is when you learn how to generate your token address. So but if you need the contract address only, the price is different. It will be cheap than learning how to generate contract address. So like this now, I'll be swapping from, let me swap 0.00001. Let's see. You can see it's giving me $165, 165 USDT. Can know this coin is active. As me, it's not active now. Once I put this 0.001, the equivalent will be like the dollar rate of this particular BNB. I have 0 point something BNB, so the particular rate will be 0 point something USDT. But once it is active, it will give you plenty amount of USDT. So let me flash this. I just want to flash small amounts. I don't want to go far, so let me just flash. Let me swap this. Okay, let me swap this because I'm still renewing it. So let me swap this. Let me swap. Okay, remove it. So I want to swap this. Remove this zero. Put one like this. So like this now, I'll be swapping this. It will give me 60,000 worth of USDT. So I will swipe it. So once I swipe it, it will show me pending submitted. So I'll wait for it to be processed and done. You can see it now. I've already swap it to, I use my 0 point, it never reach $1. I use it to got 16,000 of worth of USDT. So we click on done. So to know if it has refreshed, because come here, refresh it. So it's already here. It's already in the Trust Wallet. It's already there. You can see it there. See it here. See the coin we swap. See it here. This is it. So that is how you can flash your USDT on Trust Wallet. So but this coin is not reflecting on the balance. So let's check. Let's remove it. Let's check like this. Let's check it again. can see it. So once you see that it's not reflecting, you go back to you minimize it and you come back to the Trust Wallet. You can see, and you refresh it. So once you refresh, you can see it has now pop up. It's now reflecting in the balance. So that is how you can flash it. And if you want to send it to your client, it's just simple. Stand. I'll be sending it to my client, so send it out. So let me create new wallet. Add, create new wallet. Stand. So I'll skip this. So like this, I'll be sending to my client. If you want to give to your client, maybe you want to send to your client, you just tell your client to go to his Trust Wallet and click on receive. Then copy the BNB wallet address. So once you copy BNB wallet address, you go back to where you have funds. This is it. Then I'll click on the send button. I'll proceed anyway. Understand? So let me click on send button. So once you click on send button, this is the USDT here, 16,000 worth of USDT that we have here. You click on it, then you paste the wallet address here. Now let me flash like 2,000 USDT, 2,000 USDT. So once you flash it, you click on next. So you are seeing it, very easy to do. Then let's wait for it, confirm it, send. You can see it now, processing. You can see. So once we send it out, we wait for it to process, then it will be completed instantly. It doesn't take time. Completed. So we have transferred. You can see it has been dotted. Now let's go back to the wallet and check our wallet 8. Let's refresh. So you see, very sharp. It's very sharp. You don't need to stress yourself. So if you enjoyed this video so far, if you need more crypto flashing method for different crypto wallet, just DM me. Make sure you join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel for more updates like this. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.